Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is Easter. Next week's theme is ladies' accessories. So that can be a purse, earrings, gems, whatever you'd like to create for ladies' accessories. Just use our hashtag Two Crafters One Design. Also, enter that project into Saturday Morning Makes. We do enter our projects into Jillian Norwood's hashtag Sat Morning Makes. I am using this stamp set from Cards TV Stamps. It's called Spring Fling, and I'm using that Happy Easter that's right down there at the bottom. From Reverse Confetti, the store is now closed. I am using this dice background die. I love that. This is probably one of my favorites from them. I love this set, and not quite sure what that one's called, but that's the one I'm using. On my creative time, I'm using her Sentiment label plate die set. And I usually have some of these cut out already, so I have to go look searching for this die. But anyways, I'm using both of those. If you'd like to use my code, is MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or 15% off on release weekends. And then I'm also using this set, which you can pick up at Honeybee Stamps. This is their lily die. And here goes this beautiful card that I made. I really like it. I did ink it up with some distress inks or oxide ink, and I also used some Copics for that, but it is so pretty. I really love it. And then I pulled some gems out of my stash. I think these came from In Love Arts or either Queen of Craft. I'm not sure which one, but that's where I got those gems from. Love that. I also added a different color in the background. It's like a really light ivory back there, and then I layered it with white on top. But I don't know for sure if you can tell the difference, but that's what I did with that. But love how that turned out. There goes the inside of the card there. So I hope you enjoyed what I have created for Easter. If you'd like to join in our challenge, once again, use hashtag Two Crafters One Design. And then also don't forget about Saturday Morning Makes, which is hosted by the one and only Jillian Norwood. And that hashtag is hashtag SatMornMakes. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.